Just wanted to show you how to navigate the course. Right now we're on the home page, and as you can see, the most recent announcement is appearing at the top here. By the end of the semester there will be many announcements. Right now there aren't any, but I just put this test here to show you. If you need to go and look for an old announcement, you can click on this button here. Modules takes you right to the meat of the course. I've also got a Start Here module button on the home page for ease as we get used to navigating. NetTutor we'll be using in time. I'll explain it later. And then here is the grades section where all of your grades will be updated all the time. This little menu over here is important too. Inbox notably is where you will email me and I will email you. Let's just click here on the Start Here module. So it takes you to the first page. If you go over here, you can get a list of the pages. There are about 14 pages in this first module for you to work through, and you have an overview of the module here. You can see these are your assignments for the week and the points and the due dates.